I wasted 2 years doing hundreds of crunches every single day. My abs still hiding under a layer of stubborn fat. Then I discovered something that changed everything. I was training my abs completely wrong. The truth is, you don't need 20 different AB exercises. You need these 5 specific movements that target your entire core from every angle. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do them at home with zero equipment. Stick around, because exercise number 4 is the one that finally made my lower abs pop. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex, and I help busy people build their dream physique from home without expensive gym memberships or complicated equipment. Today, we're cutting through all the noise and focusing on the only 5 exercises you actually need for a defined six-pack. These movements are backed by science, proven by results, and completely free to do. So smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's build those abs together. The truth about abs. Before we jump into the exercises, we need to address the elephant in the room. Everyone has abs. Yes, you too. The problem isn't that your abs don't exist, it's that they're hidden under body fat. You can do 1,000 crunches a day, but if your nutrition isn't dialed in, you'll never see those abs. That said, training your abs is absolutely crucial. Here's why. A strong core improves your posture, protects your lower back, enhances athletic performance. And yes, when you lean down, well-developed abs look incredible. The key is training your abs like any other muscle group. You need to target all the different sections: your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and the often forgotten transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural weight belt for your spine. These 5 exercises hit every single one of these areas. No equipment needed, no excuses. Just you, your body, and about 15 minutes 3 to 4 times per week. The 5 essential exercises. Exercise 1. Dead bug. Let's start with the dead bug. And I know what you're thinking. This looks too easy. Trust me, when done correctly, this exercise is a core killer that builds serious abdominal control. How to do it? Lie on your back with your arms extended straight up toward the ceiling. Lift your legs so your knees are bent at 90 degrees. Now, slowly lower your right arm behind your head while straightening your left leg, hovering it just above the ground. Return to start and repeat on the opposite side. The key: keep your lower back pressed flat against the floor throughout the entire movement. This is where the magic happens. You're training your transverse abdominis to stabilize your spine, which creates that tight, flat midsection. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side, moving slowly and with control. Quality over speed every single time. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches. Exercise number 2 is the bicycle crunch, one of the most effective movements for targeting both your upper abs and obliques simultaneously. How to do it? Lie on your back, hands lightly behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bring your knees to a tabletop position. Extend your right leg out while rotating your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Pro tip: focus on the rotation. This isn't about how fast you can go. It's about really twisting through your core and feeling that oblique engagement. Don't pull on your neck. Let your abs do the work. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. You should feel this burning from your ribs down to your hips. Exercise 3. Hollow body hold. Number 3 is the hollow body hold, a gymnast staple that builds incredible core strength and endurance. How to do it? Lie flat on your back. Press your lower back into the floor and lift your shoulders and legs slightly off the ground. Extend your arms overhead. Your body should form a slight banana shape, with only your lower back touching the floor. This exercise teaches full body tension. Every muscle in your core is working to maintain this position. If it's too challenging at first, bend your knees or keep your arms by your sides. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest, and repeat for 3 to 4 sets. As you get stronger, work up to 45 to 60-second holds. Exercise 4. Reverse crunches. Here's exercise number 4. The one I promised would target those stubborn lower abs. Reverse crunches. How to do it? Lie on your back with your hands by your sides or under your glutes for support. Bend your knees and lift your feet off the ground. Now, use your lower abs to curl your hips off the floor. Bringing your knees toward your chest, lower back down with control. The secret: this is a small, controlled movement. You're not swinging your legs or using momentum. Think about pulling your belly button down toward your spine and lifting your hips just 2 to 3 inches off the ground. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Focus on that mind-muscle connection with your lower abs. This exercise is a game changer. Exercise 5. Plank 2 Down Dog. The final exercise is the Plank 2 Down Dog, a dynamic movement that works your entire core while adding a mobility component. How to do it? Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Keep your core tight, then push your hips up and back into a downward dog position, creating an inverted V with your body. Hold for a second, then return to plank. This movement forces your abs to work through different ranges of motion, targeting your entire midsection while also engaging your shoulders and improving flexibility. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, moving smoothly between positions. Putting it all together, so there you have it, the only 5 exercises you need for a six-pack. Dead bugs, bicycle crunches, hollow body holds, reverse crunches, and plank 2 down dogs. Here's how to structure your workout. Perform all 5 exercises back-to-back with minimal rest for 1 complete circuit. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds, then repeat for 3 total rounds. This should take you about 15 minutes. Do this routine 3 to 4 times per week. And remember, consistency beats intensity every single time. You don't need to train abs every day. Your core needs recovery just like any other muscle. And I can't stress this enough. Combine this workout with a solid nutrition plan. Get into a slight caloric deficit, eat plenty of protein, stay hydrated, and be patient. Visible abs typically show up when men reach 10 to 12% body fat and women reach 16 to 20%. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 5 exercises you're most excited to try. Or if you have any questions about proper form. And if you want more home workout routines that actually work. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I post new videos every week to help you build the body you want without the gym. Thanks for watching, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, go crush that workout.